Been thinking about it.
Think about means to have thoughts, to consider.
Right. Walking. Don't worry, you're in luck. I basically invented it. To start, stack everything one on top of the other, like a pile of rock. Great! I mean, fine, whatever. Now, walking is just like swimming, but without fins, or a tail, and also there's no water. Give it a try. That's not it. Try it again. Oh, try to lead with your head. No, more belly. How about this? Just take a step without even thinking about it. No. Don't think about it.
I don't know how to not think about something.
Just take a step without even thinking about it.